How many audio hours can you transcribe in a week? If you can transcribe 10 audio hours per month, then you can earn $2,394 per month. If you can transcribe 20 audio hours per month, then you can earn $4,788 per month. If you can transcribe 40 audio hours per month, then you can earn $9,576 per month. Is that even possible? This transcription website called Intentional Reach is charging $3.99 per audio minute or $239.40 per audio hour. So let's do some math here. If they can snag 10 clients, each needing an hour-long sermon transcript per week, they're looking at a monthly income of $9,576. Now, how do they do it? What sets their service apart, allowing them to command a higher price compared to the standard rates of $1 per audio minute or $60 per audio hour? Let's examine the website. They focus mainly on the importance of transcription accuracy, specifically in the context of sermon transcription services. They point out that there are two types of transcription accuracy, one where the transcript reflects exactly what was said, and the other where it reflects what was meant to be said. They also give an example of a mistake often made by pastors during sermons, such as confusing Old and New Testament references or mixing up biblical names and verses. They emphasize that they prioritize accuracy in terms of conveying the intended message, not just what was spoken. To achieve this level of accuracy, they list several steps they take. 1. Checking every Bible verse citation to ensure the correct chapter and verse are referenced. 2. Verifying the spelling of names mentioned, ensuring accuracy even with names like Kathy instead of Kathy. 3. Confirming the correct spelling of Hebrew and Greek words. 4. Fact-checking quotes to attribute them to the correct source, not just taking the speaker's word for it. 5. Verifying website addresses and hyperlinking them in transcripts for direct access. Another awesome thing they provide is top-notch quality. Just take a look at their sample. It's super neat. They throw in a logo, a catchy title, and the content is nicely organized into paragraphs, making it look really clean and easy to read. So, do you think you can offer a service like that? If the answer is yes, then it's time to dive into the world of sermon transcription. With just 10 clients, you can earn $9,576 per month. And you know the interesting part? You're not limited to 10 clients. Why? Well, if you hop on over to LinkedIn and start searching for pastors, you'll find thousands of potential clients in the U.S. alone. What does that mean? Well, it means you have the potential to rake in even more than $9,576 if you can book more clients. How cool is that? If this inspires you, then start planning now. Begin by creating a simple website and reaching out to potential clients. And if you've got any questions or ideas to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below.